Alright guys, welcome back to JForce Gaming. And as you guys know, alright, hearing aids are a pretty expensive piece of device out there. That's cost in the range of at least $4,000 to $5,000, and not everyone can afford it. Alright, so what if you have a grandparents or even yourself are having hearing problems, but you don't want to spend a hefty sum on hearing aids? Well, this is where this over-the-counter hearing aid comes in, and this is such a lifesaver. Right? So they barely cost anything less than just like maybe like up to $300. Alright, yet you get the experience of having a better clarity while hearing. Alright, with this over-the-counter hearing aids. Right over here, we have this Waterfall or Beethoven over-the-counter hearing aid right over here. And this thing is really, really interesting and really awesome, which I would like to share it with you guys. So if you guys have any problems or you want to give it to your grandparents or parents, alright, they can have a better hearing experience without spending a large sum of money, alright, on a piece of hearing aid. So we're gonna unbox this and see what we get inside the box. Alright, so we just open this out. Oh, I love how the whole thing just slides out. It's really cool. I love the unboxing design. But we do have a few things over here. Alright, you guys can see they are the official partner of Beethoven Music Festival. We have a user manual over here, and we are greeted with two of the hearing aids. They're very nicely presented. Alright, we have the hearing aids over here, which we will dive deeper into it later on. We have the remote over here as well. And we do have other accessories, which I am going to see what we will be getting inside here. So let's just get all the accessories out. Alright, we do have like some ear tips and a cleaning tool for you to clean the hearing aids, and the ear tips to size it to the size that you preferred. And we have a USB-C to USB-A charging cable to charge up the hearing aids. Alright, I think this is pretty much everything we get inside the package, which is really, really comprehensive for everything that you need. And now let's just take a closer look at the hearing aids itself. So let's see how this thing opens. So it's really, really nice. Just opens this way, and it just looks like a traditional hearing earbuds, but it is in fact a hearing aid. So for those people who are maybe conscious about them hearing wearing a hearing aid or something, alright, well, this blends in perfectly with the surrounding, with the cloud, alright, so that people are just thinking that you're wearing a piece of earpiece instead of like wearing a hearing aid. If some of you or anyone who's embarrassed of wearing a hearing aid outside, this is actually very perfect for them. Alright, and it looks so small and so lightweight, and it just feels like any pair of hearing aids out there. Just feels like any pair of earbuds out there. Look at that. Alright, it is so tiny, very, very simple, and it's super lightweight as well. So you're wearing this the whole day. Alright, it shouldn't hurt or it shouldn't feel heavy in your ears at all. Alright, and the best part about this is you do not have to need an app to operate it, and it is perfect for elderly parents or anyone who don't want to prefer to use a phone, or just want to put this on and instantly just to amplify their hearing, or they can use this to control. Alright, just to bring this small remote around. Alright, there's a holder here for you to like put in your car keys or just hang it anywhere you want, or to control the hearing aids itself. So it is really, really easy to use, really simple. You don't need like complicated instructions just to get your hearing aid into usage. Alright, and but if you guys want, this one can also play music as well. And do it, you can just connect via a phone to a Bluetooth, and your phone just turn on your Bluetooth, connect to this pair of hearing aids, and you can just play music with it. And you guys can just change the track within just these two buttons, just to change track on your hearing aids itself, or the music is playing, because they have dual drivers inside here. Alright, to ensure the sound clarity, and as well as people talking, the voices, everything will be amplified. Alright, there's also a few really awesome technologies built in, which I'm going to talk about later on after I tried this on myself. So you guys can see there is a label, alright, R and L. Alright, you guys can see, my camera can focus. Alright, so basically, alright, for the L, just go into L side. Okay, so this is how it actually looks like, alright, on my ears, and it fits pretty good in my ears. Actually, you guys can see, alright, it fits really, really nicely in my ear, and the moment I put on, alright, I can instantly hear the amplified sound around me inside here, and it sounds so much better. Alright, I would say that it just sounds overall super clear, alright, and the way it amplifies the surrounding, alright, just sounds more clearer, more natural, and much more crispier, and I can even hear myself speaking, alright, pretty good, or I would say so. And yeah, so the initial impression is super lightweight, super comfortable in your ear. It doesn't feel very out of place. It just fits nicely and comfortably inside my ear canal. Alright, but I would say that the ear tips is slightly smaller for my ear. So obviously, if I would be using this, or I'll be using the larger one over here. But for just me testing out, I wouldn't be changing it out for it right now. But you know, inside my ear, it feels really good, and now everything sounds way clearer. Alright, so they do have a built-in AI that helps to amplify out. You know, if you are chatting with someone and you are in a noisy environment, alright, you will use this AI to calculate the background noises and the person you're talking to, so that you will reduce down the background noise while enhancing the person voice that you're talking to. So this is really awesome, especially if you have trouble hearing what other people is saying. This will be super useful, and you guys can hear the other party is talking really loud and really clear as well. And the best part about this thing has 9 hours of battery life, so that you guys can wear this the whole day without the need to take down and recharge it. So this is really awesome, and give you a really good and long battery life that comes with this as well. And with this one, alright, there is this, you know, music button. Basically, if you are connected via Bluetooth to your phone, if you are playing music, you guys can switch between, from using this controller to switch instantly between music, alright, back into hearing aids mode. So basically, you will just amplify the sound, and you will just turn off the music, so that when someone is talking to you, you guys can instantly hear what I say, instead of like this music playing in the background. So and one thing they have is this mode over here, where you guys can switch between different modes as well. So this M button basically switch between indoor and outdoor modes, alright, depending on where you're at. And basically, if you were to like maybe indoor, it will like lower the amplification, so that you won't feel so overwhelmed while you're indoors. Whereas outdoors, maybe they will like block out some, you know, very noisy noises like background noise, but still, alright, makes you aware of your surroundings, especially you're walking on the roadside or this, so that you guys can hear maybe there's oncoming traffic or something that, you know, yeah, so it keeps you safe while, you know, you guys can hear the surrounding much clearer. So you guys can switch between the mode between indoor or outdoor modes, which is really awesome. And this thing also has IP55 water protection, so that you can use this even in rains, alright, but you can't definitely not swim with it. But if you're in the rain, or you know there's downpour, you don't have to worry about splashes of water splashing onto this, which is really awesome. So you don't have to worry about using it in the rain, or you're washing hands or anything that will splash of water. You don't have to worry about that at all. And another part is, you probably, if you like, you know, find a hassle of bringing a controller around, and you know you don't want to do that, well, there is also touch control built into the earpiece as well, alright, so that you guys can also use it, alright, to you know, change different between modes, everything. Alright, VR is exactly, it works the same as the remote, but you are just using touch control. But obviously, you will have to remember what kind of controls what. Right? Some is just tap and hold for a few seconds, some is just tap to change between modes, and some is just tap and hold to power on and off. So you guys can, you know, see the manual and play around with it. But overall, I've been wearing this throughout this video, and it's just so comfortable, so lightweight that I can barely feel anything. So yeah, and like I say, alright, when I first wear it in, alright, my whole surrounding becomes super clear. Alright, although I have no hearing problems, but the moment I put it in, alright, it just, the whole surrounding just feels more amplified, everything feels much clearer, and overall just a really joyous experience. So if you have anyone who has the same problem, alright, with hearing issues, and they don't want to spend like a huge sum of money on any of this, alright, they can obviously check out this Waterfall Beethoven hearing aids, alright, that looks exactly no other than any other earbuds out there. Just making sure that I put in the correct directions, alright, and yeah, and the case also shows, you know, the battery percentage on here, as you guys can see, alright. Yeah, it also can show the battery percentage, alright, the charging time, this and that. So it's really nice, alright, just feels like any other case, and you guys can just put this in any pocket anywhere, very conveniently. And you guys can also see, oh yeah, you can see each individual battery and the percentage over here. I don't think I capture well on my camera because of the refresh rate of my camera, but yeah, overall, this is a really awesome device. I've tried it now myself, and I was blown away by how good this is, and with all these really amazing technologies built in, alright, and you know, and the amount of money saved, I find this is why I don't find anything wrong with how this thing actually goes for. Alright, I'm really happy with the standard this have, and it can help so many people. Alright, whether they're, you know, being in debt by buying a hearing aid for $4,000 to $5,000, where you guys can get this for maybe 1/8 or 1/10 of the price, which is, you know, such a steal. And yeah, just plug and play. You don't have to do any configuration, all this, which is extremely useful for elderly parents as well. They don't have to set it up, connect to any mobile phone, use any app. Just open it up, plug it in, and they can go on with their day. So this is one of the, you know, perks that I would highly recommend. And yeah, so once again, if you want to check out this, alright, pair of Waterfall, alright, Beethoven hearing aids, alright, you guys can check them out. The first link in the description down below, and get this for yourself right now. Alright, so if you find this video really interesting and really helpful, let me know in the comment section as well. And once again, if you want to check out this, alright, Beethoven Waterfall hearing aids, alright, you guys can check out the first link in the description down below and get this pair for yourself right now. Alright, the first link, just go and click it and get it right away. Alright, so yeah, that's all for today, guys. Find this video really interesting and really helpful. Don't remember to give it a thumbs up and comment down below what you might be using this for, if you're for yourself or friends or family. Or you guys can just leave a comment down below as well. I can go and read it. Alright, and that's all for today, guys. And this is 𝖩force Gaming, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Peace out.
I don't wanna cry.